Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sakshi Malhotra. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'll be discussing about the impact of alcohol or smoking or other substances on normal health as well as reproductive health and what amount is considered safe for consumption. So to make things very clear, these substances can affect both males as well as females. In males, it can lead to altered sperm count, sperm volume, sperm motility and sperm morphology, by which I mean कि fertilization के लिए sperms का count अच्छा होना चाहिए, sperms healthy होने चाहिए और उनकी चलने की क्षमता वो भी normal होनी चाहिए, because at the end only those sperms can fertilize the ovum which have good motility. These substances can also cause azoospermia, oligospermia और even dead sperms, by which I mean कि sperms की amount को काफ़ी हद तक कम भी कर सकते हैं और बिल्कुल ख़त्म भी कर सकते हैं. Females, these substances can lead to irregular cycles or even anovulatory cycles, by which I mean कि अंडा बन ही नहीं रहा है. These substances also alter the vaginal pH, which makes the environment of vagina hostile for sperms to travel for fertilization. It's the effects on reproductive health. These substances also cause emotional concerns. You must have experienced that after the consumption of such substances, next day you might feel some headache or hangover or regret feeling. These emotional disturbances ultimately affect the sexual health. So now does this mean कि हमें ये सब कुछ बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना चाहिए? Yes, according to guidelines, all these things are very dangerous for health. Even small amount of such substances, alcohol or smoking, etc., can lead to permanent and irreversible damage to liver and other organs and even fertility. इस amount को हम specify नहीं कर सकते हैं. किसी इंसान में इनके इफ़ेक्ट्स ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, किसी में कम भी हो सकते हैं या किसी में कुछ भी असर नहीं हो सकता है. सो किस में ये अफेक्ट करेगा या नहीं करेगा उस चीज़ की गारंटी नहीं ले सकते हैं हम. सो इट्स बेटर टू अवॉइड ऑल सच थिंग्स. अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि डॉक्टर साक्षी ने कहा है कि मॉडरेशन इज़ द की, तो ठीक है हम रोज़ दो पेग विस्की के लगा लेते हैं, दैट विल नॉट अफेक्ट आवर हेल्थ. नो, दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग. Chronic use of such substances can have detrimental impact on your health. So I would really not recommend to use such substances. Now, what all precautionary measures should be taken in case you're planning a pregnancy? This applies to both male as well as female partner. So now, if you're planning a pregnancy, at least 3 months of abstinence from such substances is mandatory, because otherwise the health of both eggs and sperms can be decreased. Even after conception, strictly avoid these substances because these can be teratogenic. बच्चे में बनावटी खराबियां पैदा हो सकती हैं, even miscarriage भी हो सकता है. Always set your priorities first, and if you are expecting, if you want to conceive, kindly consider these points. Thank you so much.